Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how can we create a grouped product using WooCommerce. So I already created a grouped product here you can see in the demo. So WordPress website starter toolkit. So if you are WordPress expert and you are selling your starter kit or services regarding the WordPress, so here you can see Elementor Pro setup service, premium contact form. So if anyone wants to buy the products, so we are grouped all of these together so they can buy it. So for example, one from this, and then add to cart. So it will automatically add it to the cart. So here you can see the 200, the subtotal, then they can check out from here. So let me show you how can we create a grouped product using WooCommerce. I will create a similar example to show you. So let's go to your WordPress dashboard, then click on products, then click on add new product. In here, name your product. So I will name it photography beginner bundle. So I will group multiple products together. And after that, I will just go to the product image, set the product image, and I will upload a file here. So I will insert this image for my photography. And here I will just click on publish. And after that, I will just click on here, copy to a new draft. So here, and then here, I will just go to the Amazon.com. So you can go to any website that sells some kind of related products. So here, I will go to the Amazon.com. And here, I will search for DSLR camera. So I need to insert multiple products together. So here you can see, so this is the DSLR camera. So I will just go here and I will just copy this image, and here I will name it DSLR camera. I will save it and I will go back here, and here I will change my product to DSLR camera and then edit the URL here same as it is and go to the product image, and I will change the image to DSLR camera. And then I will insert it here. In here, when you click on edit here, so you need to make it hidden. So if you don't want to show it on your shop results, so you need to make it hidden. So I will click on publish here. And let me insert the price here. So I forgot to add the price. So for example, I will add it 299.99 and I will click on update. And after that, I will create some more related products regarding the photography bundle. So I will click on copy to a new draft. In here, I will search for 50mm lens. I will go back here again. I will go to the Amazon.com and I will search for 50mm lens. So here you can see, I will click on the first one and I will just save the image. Here, 50mm lens, save. I will go to the products here. I will change my product name and I will edit it. So here I will edit the 50mm lens, and then I will change the price. For example, it's 199. So I will just change the price and I will change the product image here as well. So for example, here, let me just upload the file. Here it is. And I will just insert the product and I will click on publish. And after that, I will just for the tripod in the Amazon.com. So I will go back here. I will search for the tripod. Here you can see the tripod. I will just click on it. And after that, I will save the image. So here I will save the image. And I will go back here and I will click on copy to a new draft. And after that, I will just do the same as it is here. Tripod, edit the URL, and change the image and change the price. So I will keep it as it is. Let me upload the file here and let me set the product image. Then I will click on publish here as well. So I have created multiple products now. Now I will go back to my product section and I will group them together. So let me go to my products. So here you can see the photography beginner bundle. Just click on edit. I will open it here. And here I will set the price. So for example, I will set the price to 199.99. And then I will click on product data. I will click on grouped product. Then I will click on link products. And here I will search for the products that I want to link. So for example, the first one was DSLR camera. So here, DSLR camera, search for that. And then we have 50mm lens. So here 50mm lens. Then we have the tripod. So I will insert the tripod as well. Okay, let me add the tripod. So here you can see, then I will click on update. And then I will view my product. So here you can see, let me view my product. So here you can see we have photography beginner bundle, DSLR camera, 50mm lens and tripod. So all of them are added here. So here you can make the grouped products like this. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, so you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.